Since doors are placed in walls, they are considered hosted components. Component families are stored in an external library. To use a particular door type in the project, its family must first be loaded into the project. Once loaded, the door types in that family can be used throughout the project and no connection to the library file is needed. To load a family from a library, click the Insert tab and then click Load Family. In the Load Family dialog, navigate to a location where the family files are stored. Select the families you want to load and then click Open. To place doors from the loaded families, first open the plan view for the store floor. Use the type selector at the top of the Properties palette to select the double-acting door we just loaded. Move the cursor over the wall leading to the storeroom and click to place the door. Use the type selector again to choose a double exterior door and place them in the model. Using the type selector, place additional doors into the model. Note that the door swing, inside to outside, is context sensitive to the side of the wall closest to the cursor. Move the cursor close to the other side of the wall to make the door flip. The spacebar can also be used to flip the hinge side of the door as you are placing them, or use the arrows to flip a door after it is placed.